Vedaaranya Haveli, a unique and beautiful homestay situated at Ramgarh Shekhawati, often known as the Open Air Art Gallery of India. Vedaaranya Haveli, being in the midst of the walled city of Ramgarh Shekhawati, is surrounded by the heritage town which was built 250 years ago. Surrounded by stunning Havelis, heritage chhatris full of frescoes and paintings and narratives, by heritage wells and johars. Ramgarh Shekhawati is a delight for every traveller, every creative mind, and any enthusiast. A place which once visited would never be forgotten in a person's life. Vedaaranya is a home away from home in the midst of intense heritage and culture at Ramgarh Shekhawati. Every room in the Vedaaranya Haveli is unique in character and suitable for just the right person who connects with each room. The cuisine is elaborate and diverse, and the feeling of sitting in the open courtyard or even in the balcony on the first floor for a cup of tea or coffee is unique in its own way. Vedaaranya Haveli, a perfect getaway and a perfect home forever for anyone who ever ventures into Ramgarh Shekhawati. Come, stay with us and experience the wonder of Vedaaranya.